Welcome to Alvi World. We're continuing on with the portfolio. At this point, you should have your all your main buttons going to different scenes, and there should be a back button on each scene that comes back to the main menu. And now we're going to show you. We'll first do putting all your Photoshop images onto your Photoshop scene. We're using Juan's portfolio as our guinea pig today. He's ready to move on to the next step. And let's see, he has a scene for Photoshop, which should be scene 2. And you'll see he's got his back button and he's all ready to go. Okay, so whatever placeholders you had, you can get rid of at this point. Okay.
Just erase the back button.
Oh, don't erase the back button. There we go. Okay, and you also need to have all of your Photoshop things, Photoshop images ready to put onto your portfolio. I've just got a few from Juan that he's given me. We'll start with his Alvi World poster from earlier this year. It's a PSD right now, and let's see if that works. Okay, what you do is you go up to File, you say Import. Let's just put it to Library at first. We'll import to Library, and we go and find wherever that is. Do a little Mac trick here. And we'll import that to the library. Okay, it'll bring in all the layers if you need to, because there's a PSD, and we'll just say all of them. Okay. Now you go to your library, and you go and you find it. There it is, Alvi World PSD, and you can drag that resource over onto your, what do you call this thing? Stage? It's on the stage. Okay. It's a little too big right now. Do you think? Okay. We're going to start all our images out smallish. There we go. So hopefully you've figured out how to shrink things by now. We'll make it really small. Okay. Okay, maybe not that small. Okay, I'm having a hard time getting things positioned. Okay, so we started out small. Okay, and that's not very good for viewing, right? So what we do is we need to make each picture a movie clip. How do we make a movie clip? Convert to symbol, F8. Good. We'll call this one poster or something. Okay. And then inside that movie clip, we do a little animation to make it grow. Okay. So I think we can do a tween. Let's try a tween. How about that? Copy all that. You have to make sure to say copy frames, and select the next frame and say paste frames. And if I select all those, what's the last step? Reverse frames. Very good. Okay. So if we played that,
You just put the code in, right?
yeah, just put the code in. That's right. Okay. So we've got it all set up to be able to grow and shrink. And I'm going to put any guesses what I'm going to put on there? Stop. Good. So that when it plays and grows, it'll stop so you can look at the picture before it gets clicked on again. And probably put a stop on the first frame so it doesn't play automatically. We don't need a stop at the end because that'll look like the stop at the beginning when it tries to replay. Okay, so, now we're ready to go steal some code. Okay, I'm in scene 2 for Dylan. It's his Photoshop scene.